In these stifling, searing, expiring times, we're under fire because we're Asian. Our lives don't matter because we're black, uprooted like trees because we're indigenous, disaster and disease pinning us back. Then I hear your anklets peel, the rhythm of your faraway feet. Then I know you're with us still, though anger and greed hold sway. You've been with us since infancy when our mothers crooned your tales. From the Himalayas you surged to us like the Ganges to the bay, silencing your divine consort who danced the world away. With arguments for redemption, you arm yourself again. With your third eye, your Vatic searchlight, for your 10 arms you choose these tools, a chakra shaping unity, lotus wisdom that blooms. Intellect cutting through us, flaring hope that looms. Your relentless arrows of energy aim to impart resolve. Your conscience piercing trident instills the muse in all. In that is our salvation, as in childhood when you called. We heard your chant and brandished arms of ink and paint and glue, besides didgeridoos and violins and the twinkling of Creu. As we grew, we heard you less, we ignored our conscience more, but now we've come to the end of times in a world phantasmagoric, where the scourge runs loose and the struggles ahead are cosmic. We are listening, Devi, once again, for blasts from your seismic conch. Stumbling through this oppressive night, we finally hear footfall. As your journey begins anew, of yore we take up cudgels. With piano, pen and tabla too, these terrors we must trammel. Asians on the front line, blacks pinned underfoot, the indigenous uprooted, and artists the powers forsook. Inner goddess, not a deity, but the humanity in us all. It's we who must change this world, not some divine avatar. This is my conch blast, my pledge, my promise, my vow, to use my art to transmute what's wrong, not later, not soon, but now.